Welcome to iMark. iMark is an industry leader in digital media management tools and has developed two key products, iPoint and Express, that simplify and expedite the creation of Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. This video is a demonstration of the iPoint product. iPoint is a web-based presentation management and data mining tool. It enables presenters to work more effectively with PowerPoint. The tool is accessible across the enterprise, providing features such as virtual presentation, version tracking, audit control, check-in and check-out, and search, retrieval, and reuse of digital media assets. We're now going to demonstrate some of the major iPoint functions. First, we'll demonstrate the login process. The screen shown here is the login screen. To log into the iPoint application, we need to enter a username and password. Once we have entered the username and password, we can then click the login button and we'll be logged into the application. After login, we'll have access to the iPoint dashboard. Next, we're going to demonstrate how to create a virtual presentation. To do this, we select the slides that are available in the iPoint application. This can be achieved by clicking on the plus symbol and expanding the tree on the left side of the screen. By doing so, we're able to view all the PowerPoint templates that are available. Now we select a template, and it will expand on the right side of the screen. We then select the files from the list that is available on the screen. Once selected, the files will be transferred to the slide basket. We can then access the slide basket by clicking the basket icon available on the upper side of the screen. The slide basket is now open, showing all of the files that we have selected. Now we go to the bottom of the screen and click on the button labeled Save as Virtual. This will open another page, asking us to provide a name for the newly created virtual presentation. We also need to select the location where we want the file to be saved. We enter the desired name and select the location from the tree shown below the name that we've entered. Now we click on the Create button, and the virtual presentation is created. Notice that the created virtual presentation can also be accessed from the tree on the left side of the screen. Next, we'll demonstrate how to import a new PowerPoint presentation. This can be done by going to the left side of the screen. We expand the tree by clicking on the plus symbol. Next, we right-click on the location where the file needs to be imported and select the import by clicking on the Import option. Here, a new page will be opened. In this page, we choose a file to import by browsing and locating the target file to be imported. In the field Import Engine, we change the value Default to PowerPoint. Next, we go to the section named File Metadata below. Here, by default, the file name of the file we have selected will appear. If we want to change the default name, we select the option Specify Name and enter a custom name. For this demonstration, we won't enter a custom name. Next, we can specify a date the file will be viewable and an expiry date for the file. The viewable date denotes the date from which the file can be viewed, and the expiry date denotes the date after which the file can no longer be viewed. We can also set the language for the file. Once all the details are entered, we click on the Import button. This starts the upload process of the file to the iPoint server. After the file has been uploaded, we can expand the tree available on the right side of the screen, go to the location where the file was selected for uploading, and verify that the file is imported. Searching for an existing presentation can be done by using the Simple Search or Advanced Search option. We're going to demonstrate the Simple Search option. Simple Search can be accessed in two ways. We can use the search bar available on the top right of the screen. Here we enter a file name that we want to search and press the Enter button on our keyboard. The search results provide us with the list of slides containing the search phrase under the Slides tab. Next, we click on the Files tab, and we are able to see the files sharing the search phrase. The search option can also be accessed by clicking on the View tab, available at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. We select the Search option, enter the name of the file that we want to search, and press Enter. The results provide us with the list of slides containing the search phrase under the Slides tab. Now we click on the Files tab, and we are able to see the files sharing the search phrase. Now we'll demonstrate how to delete an existing virtual presentation or a PowerPoint presentation. To do this, we go to the left-hand side of the screen, expand the tree, and right-click on the file that we would like to delete. We select the option Delete from the list. A screen appears displaying the message, "Are you sure?" We click on the button labeled OK, indicating that the selected file needs to be deleted. The screen is then refreshed automatically, and here we can confirm that the selected file is no longer available. Next, we will demonstrate how to download an existing PowerPoint presentation. To do this, we go to the left-hand side of the screen, expand the tree, and right-click on the file that we would like to download. We select the option Download from the list. Now a browser screen appears, asking if the file needs to be opened or saved. If this doesn't appear, the file is downloaded to the browser's default location. If the browser screen appears, we select the location where we want the file to be downloaded and press the Save button. Finally, we will show how to log out from the iPoint application. To log out, we simply click on the Logout hyperlink. The Logout hyperlink is available below the Search option at the top right-hand side of the screen. We can also view the details of a logged-in user. In this case, we notice that the logged-in user is Administrator. By clicking on the Logout hyperlink, we successfully log out of the application. For a no-obligation demonstration or an evaluation copy of iPoint, please contact us today.